major difference is that on the ATRs that are operating in Serbia today, that from external side, the first point is of course the engine and propellers. You see that these are propellers with 6-blade propellers, and with different engines with more powerful and with the better specific fuel consumption. So these both, in order to have a most economical point when you are talking about fuel burn per passengers. Other points from external side are less visible, what I am saying in this way, and are make reference to some reinforcement in terms of structure, because we have tried to enhance the payload, of course, because at the end of the day the aircraft is there to make money, and money means passenger, means payload. These are the most important difference that you can see in the external side. So if you want, we can go in. A particular care we have put in the I would say in the working people on the aircraft. So the 600 series, which is the most recent one that we have developed, it has been with a concept which is particular care in the main machine interface or woman machine interface. Of course, it depends on the cabin attendant. Yeah. In this case, as you see, we have built particular care to the interface and simplify the possibility to manage the systems which are under cabin attendant responsibility. And also in terms of their own safety, the new cabin attendant seat, they are being designed and certified for up to 16G in terms of acceleration. So we take care of them. Okay, as far as the passenger are concerned, we have taken particular care first of all on the aesthetics, and we have worked with the Italian stylist Giugiaro, and we do have a car outside. Yeah. And we take particular care to different aspects. The first one is the life space for the passengers, and we have taken particular care in the lining in order to have the maximum of space available for the passenger sitting in the plane. Particular care from ergonomic standpoint has been done on the seating side. So let me say, everything you see here is 2 years and a half studies in terms of all the options and things. We have put particular care on the touch, because this is a small aircraft and everything can be touched by the passenger. So we put particular care on that in order to have a smooth and calm and quiet cabin in this respect. Other point that we have put is the baggage space. In a so small plane, you will be surprised to know that you can have your cabin passenger, your cabin trolleys that can be installed there. And it is quite unique in the regional today. The part of in-flight entertainment also is provided with giving the possibility to the airlines to communicate with the passengers, with their own advertising, flight connections, information on the flight, and so on and so on. So all these kind of things in order to make a quiet, calm and safe journey for the passengers. So trying to make them comfortable in a so small space. And after, the third aspect in terms of the main machine interface is of course the cockpit. This cockpit is the most advanced in the regional world. As you've seen, it's a very, very clean cockpit, very easy to use, made in order to facilitate all the work from the pilot. And the 5 screens are perfectly interchangeable, can be configured according to the work sharing among the 2 pilots, and provide the maximum of information with the double FMS and also the possibility of an easy interface in order to fly the airplane. The airplane now is a propeller aircraft, but is with the latest technologies available. You should know how much computers are there, and everything is automatic, and the the power management. You see here that you have the possibility to manage for takeoff, max cruise, and so on and so on. Everything is automatic. Everything is made in order to enhance the safety and the pilot to manage the aircraft. So it's a full modern concept. And also after the A380, this has been the second aircraft that has been certified with following human factor certification requirements. So this has been presented to the flight panels from EASA and FAA in order to have everything you see around me have been approved, criticized, commented by pilots from both EASA and FAA for this kind of certification. The point is, of course, that compared with the previous model of ATRs, there are three areas in which there has been a tremendous improvement in this respect. The first one is, of course, the economics. This aircraft is more economic to be operated than the previous models, although they are at the latest possible technology that you can have. The second point is the safe operation, the enhancement of safe operation. In terms of workload by pilot, I say that this has been strongly reduced by the new philosophy in the cockpit. So this is a modern airplane projected in the future. The third point is because of what we believe it to be the passenger appeal. This aircraft has been designed to be quiet, no vibrations, no noise, external noise, and so on and so on. These are the points that are very, very important. And also for the community in which the aircraft is operated, because the external noise has been reduced tremendously. The possibility to have I would say a reduced fuel consumption. This means less emissions. This means less carbon oxide or NOx or CO2 and so on, things like that. So it's very, very important. And also because this airplane is able to serve what we call horizontal journey. So the small towns can be served by this kind of aircraft because of its flexibility.